Ikhubazekile ayikwazi ukubamba imethi faka ingqondo entsha yabona masingene ingqondo entsha kube sekubonakala nomzimba engathi uyabambeka libonga igama likaJesu umzimba kade uphuluka utholakala wenza izinto ngoba noma udaka lusithatha noNkulunkulu luze lusithathe nomthetho umzimba uphuluke kuthi ayurape ingane moya kumele ayothola udilika jeni masengena ingqondo entsha ingqondo entsha ibisiyasiza i-influence umzimba ubonakala sekushintsha ngisho indlela yokugqoka kungakaze kushunyelwe umuntu ubonakala sekushintsha ngisho indawo eyihambelayo angithi phela khona lento ekuthiwa ama-peptides lapho kwamakhona amanzi ayophindane futhi kodwa ke mase kufakwa ingqondo entsha ingqondo entsha iwazi amanzi akamanzi okusho ukuthi lawa-ke wawakhona mase ngeniswa likaNkulunkulu udlule ngathi awukwazi ubone lapho izinto abantu abazi ukuthi bakubamba ngazo uma sekufakwa ingqondo entsha udlula engathi you are charged with the power of God izinto ekade zikuhlula izolo nabe bekuthakatha uyabamela ukuthi abeze fakwa ingqondo entsha ingqondo entsha ikwazi ukuphile labanye befa khona ngoba ingqondo entsha nayo futhi ayimani ibe yintsha iba yintsha ngokugcwaliswa ngezwi likaNkulunkulu ngoba yikho into eguqula umuntu ngaphandle kwezwi lithi iBhayibheli lami God created the heavens and the earth but the earth was formless darkness was upon the face of the deep ubumnyama abuphekodwa uNkulunkulu wayesekudalile izulu lomhlaba kwi-second verse sizwa kungasakhulunywa ngezulu kodwa inkinga yabonakala emhlabeni ukuthi esekwenzile uNkulunkulu umhlaba walahlekelwa inkazimulo kaNkulunkulu athi sonke sonile sabe sesilahlekelwa inkazimulo. Once I was praying ngomisa nomnyalezo uNkulunkulu ukuthi asize uthi uNkulunkulu sikhumbuzo usukushumayela ngathi ushumayela kodokotela be-theology ukhuluma nesizwe esingasalazi izwe ukhuluma nabantu abahlala emakhaya angathandazwa khona ukhuluma nabantu abangasamfuni uNkulunkulu ngenxa yamaphutha odaka ngoba udaka yilona lolo lusixoshela abantu emabandleni udaka yilona lolo lusixovela umbono kaNkulunkulu kodwa uNkulunkulu worry not uJesu unqobile uJesu unqobile udaka uJesu unqobile udaka bazalwane Jesus has overcome ingathi inyama yakhe ingasalala emhlabeni wayindwenisa inyama yakhe ingakho kuthiwa we are justified, we are sanctified and we are glorified kuyoba njalo bese uJesu sohamba naye lemzimba yethu ngoba ongaphakathi kuyogwinya ongaphandle imithetho yemvelo nomthetho nesono ne-natural equilibrium angeke kusasibamba sohlangana naye emkhathini emafini la abambone khona abafundi bakuthiwa ngoba uyeza namafu abamgwazayo bawumbona haleluya halibonga igama likaJesu bakhulunywa ngodaba kwathiwa uNkulunkulu uzolumeneja yini udaba uma kuqeda ukukhulunywa ngodaba njengoba semkhazile bazalwane ukuthi udaba lusikhatha ngomthetho udaba lisenza siba abantu abangamukeleki udaba lisiphupha inkazimulo kaNkulunkulu udaba lenza lento eyenzeka ku-Adamu udaba lamdayisa u-Adamu lamdayisa u-Eva udaba ilona labamba uDavide wabulala uRiya udaba luyingozi labamba ngisho uSamsoni udaba lonke lona labamba u-Amnoni wajilajileka u-Amnoni udaba luyingozi labamba uJudasi kodwa wafika uJesu wanqoba udaba libonga igama likaJesu wafika uJesu ukhuluma eGetsemane wathi udaka sidlulele sitsha uJesu wathi uNkulunkulu kodwa mawuyintando yakho. Alibonga igama likaJesu ngoba uJesu wayegila imikhuba lapha esiphambanweni. Wezonqoba udala. Unqoba kaJesu kokuqala. The first ground of contention was, since God you have this idea to make man in your image, will they be able to overcome the flesh, the carnal man, their body? The answer, because of Jesus, is yes. Jesus is mine. Jesus is mine. Jesus is mine today. Death cannot keep it free. Jesus my sin. He tore the bars away. Up from the grave he arose with a mighty triumph on his foes. He arose a victor from the dark domain. With his saints he shall reign forevermore. Amen. And then the second ground of contention were Leviticus chapter number 19 verse 2. Be thou holy, for I am holy. Imagine why. Go on and give way. Since you have an idea to make men in your own image, that they rule, they have power, they have dominion, they have excellence, they overcome the world, will they be able to be holy as you are holy? Siyambona bazalwane uJesu ehamba naleya sisethume uNkosi igama likaJesu. uMary wayedume ngokuthi ungowesifazane oyi-professional pleasure giver. Namagama amahle manje. Ambiza ngelinye igama lokhalejele. uMary bazalwane wayaziwa ngisho nabaFarisi. Kuze kuthiwa waJesu uyazi ukuthi uba nohleli lapha enyaweni zakho. Uyingozi lo muntu wesifazane weJesu. By faith uJesu wambamba uMary. Alibonga igama likaJesu. Amen. uJesu wambamba uMary. Uthi uMary wayenamadimoni awu-7. Wayemazi kahle ukuthi umuntu wesilisa uthintwaphi. uMary yile hlobo yabantu ababethi babeza lapha eza nengubo yakhe enompheko ofika la evezele into zonke. Kusho amadoda esikhozi kuthiwa nangu uMary. Abonakale bebaleka beyongena emzini yabo ngoba wayaziwa ukuthi akahambi yedwa, hamba ney'nto zakhona. Azokwazi nabantu bakho uNkulunkulu ukuba ngcwele njengoba nawe ungcwele. Will they be able to be holy as you are? uJesu afika wanqoba zonke izona. Wenziwa isono ukuze thina singabesaba naso isono. Wenziwa ihlazo to upon him. The iniquity of us all was laid upon him. Abahlazo nobumnyama nayo yonke lento esahlula uJesu seyahlula. Amen. Grounds of contention number 2. Will these people of yours, God, will they be able to be holy as you are holy? Azokwazi ukuyiphila impilo engcwele lo ungasakhulunywa ngayo. Impilo engcwele impilo oyiphila ngoba wazi ukuthi umuntu weqele. Alibonga igama likaJesu. Umuntu weqele awukwazi ukwenza noma yini. Masilalela ama-debates namhlanje kuyasho kuthiwa why abantwana bakwa-Israyeli babetshelwa uNkulunkulu ukuthi ababe-racist. That's because abantu beqele bangameli icebo likaNkulunkulu ibe-contaminated. Ingakho babe-receive nama-instruction kuthiwa maningena kule dolobha nibulale kwasani, kwangane, kwamama, ungasindi muntu, niphinde futhi ningathathi lutho.